it's like coming to Switzerland is really a quality education. But when I come here, it was much higher and far more than I expected. Yeah.
Main expectation is because I want to explore more on the international communication and also to learn about the global industry immersion, of course. So here, what I see is a different approach compared to the Singapore.
The way today is from Professor Robert Battery. He say, learn as much as possible and enjoy later. Thank you.
The main key event I take from regarding the Swiss stock exchange, how it works. That is the main key event I take. And also how many type of funds they are organizing, and also different type of index funds and investment funds. All these are the key takeaways for the lecture.
The SUSS Stock Exchange is a very interesting place. It's my first time visiting a stock exchange outside of Singapore. It's a place whereby you learn how the market works, and we are very fortunate to have a lecturer from Swiss Stock Exchange, SUSS, to give us a short lecture on how the market works, especially like in terms of shares, the bonds, the funds, and how Switzerland as a whole works with other types of investments and how they manage this stock exchange. So it was a very interesting experience. I've learned a lot. We also visited the Finance Museum. It's a very interesting place. They talk about history of economics, and it's not just Switzerland, although it's a finance museum in Switzerland. It also comprises and covers of other neighboring European countries, as well as how they play a part throughout the passage of time, in terms of how finance comes about with physical shares all the way to art and digital art, as well as how everything plays a part in the history of economics of mankind. So it's very interesting.
It was very insightful because we learned how actually the chocolates came to Europe, and then how it went through industrialization and all.
I think basically we all know that they use cacao to make chocolate, but the process of it, how they do it, where they do it, to actually look at videos of them processing the cacao, got to taste what chocolate was like very long ago.
I could see that the Swiss government cares a lot about the environment. There's very strong protection of animals and farm on the land. So there were quite strict rules about what they can grow, what they can't grow, where they can go and where they can't go. So that's something that we learned from my visit.
Khun Recon visit was really eye-opening for us. They have deeply entrenched performance improvement, continuous performance improvement in their company. I'm really very impressed.
Presentation from IWC was eye-opening, how as a luxury brand they could have made themselves loud, but IWC decided that they should be the quiet ones in luxury watch. That's how they brand themselves.